Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to turn off location on your iPhone so you can improve your privacy and prevent apps and services from accessing your location. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From there, tap on Location Services to open the Location Settings menu. Here, you'll see the Main Location Services option at the top of the screen. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, tap the toggle next to Location Services to turn it off. A confirmation message will appear explaining that turning off location services will disable location access for all apps and services on your device. Tap Turn Off to confirm your choice. Once disabled, your iPhone will stop sharing your location with apps, system services, and other features that rely on location data. If you ever need to use location-based apps again, you can return to this same menu and re-enable location services at any time. That's it. You have successfully learned how to turn off location on an iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.